Abner. I am 9 years old. I am in Sundowner's 4-H club. Welcome to How to Grow Your Own Vegetables. Welcome to our family greenhouse. We do Kaki hydroponics. We grow 7 types of tomatoes.
Okay. Can you tell us what type of tomatoes? Okay.
We have Sweet 100, Celebrity.
So sweet 100s. Okay.
Celebrity.
Celebrity. Oh, those are the messy ones now.
Yes.
Okay.
We have Midnight Snack.
Midnight snacks.
And they have purple on it. They turn orange and then red. We have Sun Gold.
Yes, we have some sun golds. Okay.
They have tomato berries.
Okay. If I can get really close enough.
We have Tiny Tims.
We do have Tiny Tims. Okay. Did we cover them all?
And we have Sun Gold.
Or sun sugars, right?
Sun Sugar, yeah. Here we have peppers, like this macaroni pepper. Look how big it is.
Yeah.
And look how tall the plants are.
Yeah, they are. What else do we have back here?
We have eggplants.
Yes. Do you remember what those little yellow flowers are?
Safflowers.
Safflowers, yes.
Safflower.
Poor man's saffron, in other words.
Really?
Yep. Okay, Clara. And what is Kaki hydroponics?
It is growing plants in nutrients water
Instead of what?
instead of soil.
Okay. And what's in that nutrient water?
And K.
Right. And what do those stand for?
Nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus.
Okay, maybe not quite in that order, right? And what do the plants develop when this happens?
It grows 2 sets of roots.
Okay.
One for air,
Okay.
one for water.
Oh, for drinking and nutrients? Okay, shall we take a picture of how that looks? Okay. Whee! So the top ones are what are they, the air roots or the water roots?
Air roots.
Okay, and then the bottom are the
Water.
very good.
Picking veggies are delicious.
Oh, okay. Are you also my tomato thief? Yeah, okay. So, maybe something to show off. How big is your eggplant or our eggplant? Wow.
It goes as big as an egg. Same age eggplant, but in soil.
Okay, and what's the difference between that and the one that's in Kaki?
This isn't.
Is it bigger or smaller?
It's smaller.
A lot smaller, huh? And what happened to those leaves? Do you remember what happened to those leaves?
Flea beetles.
Oh, yeah. Do we like flea beetles?
No.
No, we do not like flea beetles.
This is a squash plant that's dying
Oh, and why is it dying?
because of vine borers.
Oh, we don't like vine borers either, do we? Yep, there's the problem. What is this?
This is butternut squash.
Yep. And can you tell us anything about this plant?
It does not have any thorns.
Oh, okay.